Hey, today we're gonna make a grape simple syrup together. It's one of the ingredients we'll use in the mocktail meal recipe as we celebrate Westchester's 150th anniversary during homecoming this year. Follow along. All you need are grapes, sugar, water. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to pour 1 cup of water onto a pot on the stove. Get it to boil, and you're gonna add a cup of sugar too. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to pour 1 cup of water onto a pot on the stove. Get it to boil, and you're gonna add a cup of sugar too. So we wanna take our 1 cup of grapes, and we wanna bring it here, add them to the pot to boil. Give them a quick stir. Leave this on high, and once it does start boiling, let it boil for about 10 minutes. All right, we are at the 10-minute mark now, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat. You'll see now that the grapes are pretty blanched, and I'm gonna let this cool in the in the pot for 10 minutes. Okay, so here they are. There's the simple syrup. Here's the blanched grapes, and I'm just taking the other end of my spoon and just squeezing down to just get all of the flavor out. And the plan is, once we're done doing this, is to let this cool overnight or in the refrigerator for up to 2 hours, and then you're ready to go. So there you have it. This is how you make your very own grape simple syrup.